Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options. Then we need to select Troubleshoot. Then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type C:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space C:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter. Type cd space System32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1 then hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup1 and hit enter. Type in cd space regback then simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type in cd space C:/ and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command. Cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type bcd edit space /export space C:/ bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Type attrib C:/boot /bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type ren space C:/boot /bcd space bcd.old then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.